Hello to my lovelies. Thank you so much for watching my channel today. I'm Roxanne, Carne, personal wardrobe stylist for women, where I transform their wardrobes and do a dang good job of transforming their lives. And I am here dwarfed by this massive box from Gucci. It is an unboxing, duh. You know, I gotta say, this year, I made it a goal of mine to slow down on my handbag purchases. I love my handbags, and I've done an okay job, I suppose. But this is not the first bag that I got for this year. But anyway, I kind of like stumbled into this bag. So very mini short story time here for you. We actually went to Gucci this past weekend to return an item. Wasn't an item for me, it was actually my husband. About a year ago, he worked with them to get a custom jacket made, and it just was not like coming out right, like at all. And this isn't a knock on Gucci necessarily, but because they tried to rectify it, and a year later, like, it still wasn't working out. So he was just like, I'm gonna cut my losses and return it. So we went to return the jacket, and then kind of accidentally bought this this bag. So I wanted to share it with you. A really quick unboxing. Let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, this is so big, I'm gonna have to actually move this off to the side, get this big old box out of here. So again, lovely Gucci box with the ribbon wrapped all nicely around. Let's go ahead and untie this bad boy and show you. Ah, that's so big. Show you what I got. So it's a big box because it's kind of a big bag, but it's an amazing bag. So let's pull her out here, and I'm also gonna get this big box out of the way. So let's just tuck that back here for now. All right. So when I saw this bag, it came in two sizes, this size, and then like what I would say maybe is a medium size. And I opted for the big one because I do need another bag for travel. That I can take on the plane, that I can put my tablet and maybe even my laptop in if I really needed to. The smaller one was super, super cute, but it was, I feel like the size that it was, I have so many bags like in that size range that I just don't really like need it. I want something that's a little bit chunkier. So let's see what I got. Take the stuffing off. But look, here we go. Let me take these tassels off. See, I just unboxed it, so everything's brand new. I can't even get these off. So let's see if I can rip it here. Whew, that was like Fort Knox getting those off the tassels. But isn't she gorgeous? So when I saw this, the first thing that came to mind was the Chanel poofy bag. I can't ever remember what that bag is called. The one that had so many problems with like the leather peeling. This one I think just has so much more character, honestly. I love the quilted look. You know, it's a giant like hobo style. We've got in adjustable drawstrings here for you to open and close it. You have a magnetic opening right here. The color is amazing. So this bag for now only comes in this color and like a light ivory. They do have a black, but the black is in a medium size. So the medium size comes in black, ivory, and I think this color, but this does not come in black. And I think they did that on purpose, because if they did it in black, I think like everybody would get it. I probably would, but I actually forced myself to get this one because I love the color. It wasn't that much of a force really, but I don't really have anything that's quite this color in the beige tan family. The other purses that I have that are in this family are definitely on the lighter side. Nothing that's just this dark, and maybe has a slight rose tint to it. But here's the back of the purse. I just love it. I think this is like a great everyday bag. If you got like crap that you're carrying and hauling around town, or if you're a mom and you got to throw in some diapers or something, I don't know. Like, I think it's really, really handy. And then I think that there's a there's a crossbody as well. Let's get this stuffing out of there. They do have a crossbody strap. It's in here, and it's metal. So it's got I think it's the G. Oh no, it's the chain. Okay, there we go. So it's the chain. Just throw that to one side, right here, and you can pop it right on the inside through the claw. There's one. And this is, ladies, this is heavy. This chain is like no joke. So if you wanted to have a little bit more of a dressier moment, you can carry it with that, and you can just like fold that in or just like fold it down, right? You could do like all three if you wanted to have the chain kind of dangling as well. That's an option. But you can carry it. And it's not, I forget, it's not a full crossbody because it's not long enough. You can just put it in the crook of your arm or like on your shoulder, okay? More than likely though, for this bag, I think I would be carrying it just by the leather straps. I really like that look. Or if I just wanted to be, you know, jazzy, then I'll just lift it up like that. I think that's a really cool look too. But it is a big bag. You know, if I could get my laptop in here, I'd have to put it in the long ways and then turn it, but there's enough space on the base that it would comfortably fit. And my laptop isn't massive anyway, so that's a good thing. But look at the depth and width of the bag. You can get a lot in there. Wallets, your iPad, you know, a change of clothes if you were some shoes, okay, right? You can really load it up. And then it does have an inside pocket with the zipper, so your more important, you know, items, maybe put your smaller like wallet card in there, or credit cards, your phone, you can drop that right in. There aren't any other pockets on the bag like externally, which I like because it's big enough that you can get everything that you need on the inside. So yeah, this is the bag. I'd love to know what you think about it. What do you think about the shape? What do you think about the style? What do you think about the color? Is this something that you would add, or would you maybe get the smaller size? Or what other bag is similar to this? I know Yves Saint Laurent has that really awesome trapezoid, that skinny trapezoid bag. Oh, I love that. I do not own it, but I really like this. And again, I envision seeing myself traveling in this. But yeah, let me know what you think about it. And I'll show you some mod shots of me with the bag. All right? Stay tuned, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you the next time. But don't click off yet. I want you to see it on me. Bye for now.